How to set vibration strengths on K-Press on Tecno mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more video like this. Go to Settings, and Settings, go to System, and System, go to Language and Input, and Language and Input, go to Keyboard, and go to On-Screen Keyboard. Tap this, and go to Gboard, and Gboard Settings, go to Preferences, and Preferences, and K-Tab section. You can see here the vibration strengths on K-Press. And the vibration strengths on K-Press is set into System Default. So if you want to change this or set this, tap this and the pop-up are show. Now you can set the vibration strengths on K-Press by sliding to the right to hide the vibration strengths. And you can adjust to the left to load the vibration strengths on your K-Press. So for example, I set into 40, tap OK to save these settings.